Hi friends, let's talk about a very important phenomenon that is impacting our work lives today, that is stress. In today's demanding job environment, stress is a very obvious response. Stress usually happens when you are unable to meet the expectations of your set role due to lack of resources or lack of capabilities needed to complete the assigned responsibility. Stress is a normal response to your work, but some measures have to be taken to avoid its prolonged existence. Hence, let's talk about stress in detail. Let's understand stress with help of an activity. Probably, some of you might be aware about this activity. Let's hold a glass of water in our hands. And let's ask ourselves, how heavy is this glass? Weight of glass. Is this something which we are looking for? Or something else? Let's understand the phenomena behind this activity. If I hold the glass of water for a few minutes, then nothing will happen. If I hold it for a few hours, I'll get an ache. If I hold it for a day, then my arm will feel paralyzed. In each case, the weight of the glass doesn't change. It remains the same. But the longer I hold it, the heavier it becomes. The stress and worries are like this glass of water. The more you hold them, you'll feel hurt and incapable of doing anything. Now let's understand the why factor behind workplace stress. There are a couple of factors which we have listed. However, there are several factors which varies from person to person. More overtime due to staff cutback. If you are working in an environment wherein you are not only responsible for your own role, but you are also fulfilling the expectations of another role, you will definitely feel burdened. This burden will eventually result in stress. Lack of control over how you do your work. Let's say I am assigned task A. No clear instructions were given on how to proceed with it. What are the ifs and buts involved? I will definitely keep on trying till the deadline, and if all the alternatives keep on failing, I'll encounter stress. I will get more and more confused towards the achievement of the set goal. Thus, planning your work step by step with clear instructions is very important. Long hours and excessive workload. The moment we enter office till the time of closing hours, our productivity keeps on decreasing. As we are humans, sufficient breaks are required to recharge our minds. If we'll keep on working beyond official hours, we'll have an adverse effect on our health and our mind will feel stressed due to the overload. Pressure to work at optimum levels all the time. Mind cannot work with the same productivity throughout the day. As the mind keeps on handling the work hassle, the retention power and productivity decreases by end of the day. Hence, do not make wrong commitment to yourself and your bosses for being 100% productive the entire day. You are not a genie. Poor company culture. We, the employees, build the culture. To be motivated and relaxed, we should ensure that we should have positive people around us. As we have stressful work environment, the management also should invest in certain de-stress activities and employees should also maintain an easy-going environment and culture. Remember, challenges are a part of work life. Till now, we have majorly talked about stress from employees' perspective. But does stress only affect the employees? No. If we take a broader perspective, stress is very risky for an organization. Some stress is normal, but if it goes beyond a certain level, it will start impacting the overall organizational culture and growth. Human resource is a vital element for any organization. A happy workforce can only contribute positively to the business. Till now, we have understood how stress can interfere in your productivity and performance and can also impact you personally and emotionally. It's time to de-stress. You can say it aloud. Now let's talk about certain positive way outs which will help you to manage your stress at your workplace. Strong company culture. Strong company culture. Stay positive with positive people and build a positive environment. The more happy you are, the more productive you will be. Take time to recharge. Short breaks, chit-chat with co-workers, watching or reading something which you like can keep you out from the work frame for some time and will help you rejuvenating yourself. Talk to your supervisor. If you are stuck, not finding out a way, talk to your supervisor. Talking will make things easy and you will definitely get a way out. Get some support. Support from your co-workers can also do miracles. If you know that your co-worker has an expertise for the task pending with you, go and approach him for help. Have a plan. Start your day with a to-do list. By the end of the day, probably you would not be able to do the entire tasks. But if half of them are also done, you will get a sense of completion and relaxation. Act rather than react. Show what you can do rather than saying it. Your work will speak for you. Unnecessarily, getting into a conflict will only give you negativity at your workplace. Your work is enough to prove you right. Eat right and sleep well. Ultimately, it's your body. Until and unless it is mentally and physically fit, it will not work your way. Make a habit to meditate for some time for your body's sake. This is it for stress management module for today. Keep watching for more and updated videos. This is Dimple signing off. Good day everyone. Bye.